What's going on? You got Corey Neese here. Welcome to another educational video. Today we're going to talk about the value of automated business and content creation. Now, I haven't done a video in a while, so let's see if I still got it, all right? So we're going to talk about Power Lead System, okay? I got paid $120, and this was 100% automated cash that I'm sharing with you today, meaning this money I received here March 10th, a few days ago. It's the 14th now. That was from doing no work at all. It was completely residual income, automated cash flow, and I want to share with you how you can set that up for your own business as well. So, if you follow me for any time, you know that I always emphasize YouTube marketing and creating content that will pay you not only today, but but tomorrow, next month, and next year. And here's a perfect example. I did this video almost a year ago now, exactly. It's only got a couple hundred views, but I still got a comment just a day ago who's asking about PLS. PLS stands for Power Lead System. And I get leads consistently from my YouTube content. Just in the last couple of days, you can see I'm getting leads here, 13th, 7th, the 14th. I'm getting all these leads are coming through consistently. And this is mainly from my YouTube channel, because I am not doing any advertising at the moment. I'm not doing any prospecting. I'm not building my Power Lead System business at all. I'm focusing on other areas in my life. And this continues to pay me, generate leads for my email list, and create new customers, which is arguably the most valuable thing that you can have for your online business, is automated customers and clients. So they come into the system, and then anytime they should decide to purchase one of these other courses, that would earn me again another commission, even bigger commissions, okay? So what I would recommend, if you haven't already, is set up your own YouTube channel and begin marketing Power Lead System, Lead Lightning, the free lead system, today, and do simple little screen share videos, much like I'm doing myself, really exactly like I'm doing. And if you stay consistent with it, you will generate results for your business. So I think at the moment I'm at the top of the leaderboards as well for this week. And again, I'm not building this business at all. And I'm still right here, number 2 on most lead lightning sales for this week so far. I have generated a couple new customers from Lead Lightning today. I think I had one a few days ago. And this money you see here is basically automated income. Automated income. So if you're looking for a home business or a way to make money that will keep flowing in regardless of you promoting it, Power Lead System is the vehicle. And my prediction report here, my residual, is still over 200 a month. And that's pretty good for not, like I said, for not advertising or promoting this business much at all. For the last 3+ months, I've been basically not really focused on Power Lead System. But I wanted to share with you the value, some real life example of why you got to get into content creation and have an automated business that does a lot of the marketing and the selling for you. Okay, so if that interests you, feel free to visit my website below the video here. One of the websites, you can grab a free lead system, take a little tour today, get started on the $7 version if you want to start small, and then you can upgrade into any other memberships we have if you want to earn more money. So click the link below and be sure to subscribe to my channel as well. I'll see you next time. Take care.